Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Windows edition and build so fixes target the right system. This avoids mismatched commands. Once confirmed, open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and keep it ready, because you will run service queries and registry checks immediately. Make a system restore point and export the registry key you will modify. This protects you if something goes wrong. These prerequisites let you act confidently and prevent rollbacks, so don't skip backing up before proceeding. Next, query the Defender service status so you know whether it's disabled, missing, or corrupt. Use SC and get service commands to inspect it. If the service is missing, recreate it with SC. EXE using the proper bin path that points to MPSVC or MSMPEng. This restores the service entry. Then check related registry keys under HKLM/system, /current control set /services, /wind. Finally, re-register any Defender-related DLLs if Windows reports COM or registration errors, because that can stop services from initializing. Once done, run System File Checker and DISM commands to repair corrupted system files and component store. These commands often restore missing dependencies. If Defender still shows service not found, inspect Event Viewer for precise error ID. Then reset any applied group policy settings or reinstall the Defender package for your Windows build. One key troubleshooting tip: if errors persist, roll back to your restore point and review logs before retrying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.